Hello friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video I will show you the live price prediction of the Wing crypto. What's the price change going in a Wing? What's the high price of Wing? I will show you in this video. So before starting this brand video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so first of all please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Now let's see the price prediction of the Wing crypto. What's the price change goes in the Wing crypto in the cryptocurrencies markets? Let's see the price change occur in the Wing and the last 1 hour. As you can see here on the screen, that is the live price change, live price prediction of the previous last 1 hour. So friends, if we look the changes of the Wing crypto in the last 1 hour, so the changes is about negative 2.36% chance occur in the last 1 hour, and the high price of Wing is about $0.00271 is the high price of Wing. So friends, if we look the chart analysis of the Wing crypto, so the chart tell us that at the start of the last 1 hour they are start falls down. At the start they falls down. The last 1 hour is the period of falling of the Wing crypto, but as you can see now on the screen, at current time they are again start jumping upward. At current time, as you can see here, they are ready for a big jump. So friends, that is why I said you that hold your Wing crypto with the last of this month, because we can't say about the future of any cryptocurrencies. Maybe they goes upward in the future, maybe they falls down in the future. That is the last 1 hour price prediction. Now friends, let's see the last 2 hour price prediction of the Wing crypto. What's the price change goes in the previous last 2 hour of the Wing crypto? As you can see now on the screen, that is the last 2 hour. As you can see here, if we talk about the average change of the Wing crypto, so absolutely good for, but unfortunately due to the little falls of the Wing, that is why the last 1 hour change is in negative. The last previous 2 hour price prediction is in positive 4.11% change occur in the Wing crypto in the last 2 hour, and the high price of the Wing is about $0.00271 is the high price of Wing in the previous last 2 hour. So friends, in the previous hours they take a jump, but unfortunately as I show you in the start of this video, that the last 1 hour price prediction they again falls down in this period, and now don't worry about the falling, and now currently at this time Wing crypto start jumping upward friends. So my suggestion for all of you that hold your Wing crypto with the last of this month, because we can't say about the future of any cryptocurrencies. Maybe they go support in the future, maybe they falls down in the future. What's your opinion about Wing crypto? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel.